avança, acabei marcado, fica aqui com essa referência ali na frente. Mas funcionamento muito bom e bastante assertivo por parte do Vitinho, e já agora dizer também que
creio que no Uzbequistão quem sai faz o layer para a entrada do
loads of people hitting each other on the head with these plastic mallets. This is famous Blue Church. No idea why they call it famous Blue Church, but yeah, it's pretty blue, I suppose. And just a little bit more of the Blue Church. Ooh. It's definitely got a rustic charm about it, and you can see the weeds growing out of the roof. This view of the bridge is from the monastery at the top. It's a great view of the bridge and the city, and further up another bridge on the Douro River on the way to the ocean. And on the other side of the bridge, this viewpoint is near the cable car station. You can see a train crossing, the Douro River, and there are some cable cars overhead. And this is the lower deck of the Ponte Louise I bridge. It is a road, and it also doubles up as a pedestrian access. And this is the bridge taken from the Gaia side, stood on the quayside where all the pleasure boats depart, as well as all the river cruises. And here is a view from the quayside on the Gaia side, where all the port wineries are situated, the cafes. The whole city is really buzzing this week. And a little bit more of the wineries along the quayside, and the cable cars overhead. And we've just stumbled across this market on the Gaia side of the river. Lots of little kiosks or stalls, and a big screen there for the World Cup, which is playing at the moment. I'll just have a wander around here to see some of the other stuff that's here. It seems to be mainly a food hall rather than a market. Here is a beer stall, and look at some of the pastries on offer in the market. And here's some fresh fruit on this stall, and lots more delicious fresh food on offer here. Wonderful looking cakes and various types of pasta and whatever sauce you want, freshly cooked whilst you watch. And this stall seems to be selling Brazilian style tapas. There are quite a lot of Brazilian expats living in Porto. And this is the view of the market from the balcony on mezzanine level. Plenty of tables and great vibe. And of course the big screen there too. Famous rabbit. And they've got all the people, kids jumping off the bridge into the water, and there's a Brazilian samba band playing in a little cafe further up, and you can see some old traditional Portuguese buildings there. A nice little neighbourhood, and another square slightly further up from the last square, and we've got a view of a church over here, and this is commercial centre, and this is Henry the Navigator, and another little neighbourhood here where it's incredible architecture. And if you look all the way down here to the Douro River, and the elaborate looking McDonald's, and you can see all of the cathedrals and churches. Absolutely stunning. So this area is called São Bento, and this is the train station, which an incredible cathedral there as well. A little bit more here, and a bustling street, all the balconies there. So this is a bit of a big deal in Porto. It's got some really impressive tiles in this train station. Go back round that way, and you can see all of the walls are covered in these tiles. from another angle, and there you can see Porto into the ceiling as well, and there are the train platforms, and there are some more tiled walls there as well. And this looks like it's been heavily renovated because it's in such good condition. And once again inside here there's lots of areas that have got these typically Portuguese blue tiles. It's closed off to the public. It's very atmospheric round here, and this looks like it's the Bishop's Palace. So no soundtrack needed. We have a cellist. And what an absolutely incredible square this is. You can see all of the monuments, incredible buildings, and this is the train station with the incredible tiles. And this is what the rest of the area looks like around here. That is the town hall, and another impressive building there. And if you have a look over here, you have a man on a horse. Now that's certainly a magnificent building. And there's the top of the building. So this is one of the most beautiful McDonald's buildings in the world. So if you go in, you see how beautiful it is. Windows. Beautiful, look there. And here we are outside the town hall, where the sign for Porto is. What a magnificent building. And as I just drop down here, you will see the queue of people waiting to get the picture taken with it. And as I spin round here, there's also another sign here that says the Porto. And this area here is called Balau, and this is where the main market is. And there it is from the exterior. This is the interior of the market. This is inside the market, and there's a market post, and some fruit stalls.
Das ruas de Lisboa até ao Porto, o povo canta com orgulho no rosto, a camisola das esquinas no peito. Portugal joga com raça e respeito. No relevado a bola vai rolar, 1000 sonhos prontos para conquistar. Cada adepto acredita até ao fim, porque esta seleção nasceu assim. E quando o estado inteiro cantar, a nossa bandeira vai levantar, vermelho e verde no coração. Somos a força de uma nação. Portugal, vamos vencer. Na Copa o mundo vai tremer. Com garra, talento e emoção. Brilha forte a nossa seleção. Deixa a bola falar. Portugal nasceu para ganhar. Do Minho ao Algarve a cantar. Ninguém vai parar Portugal. Na defesa a muralha sem igual. No ataque futebol espetacular. Cada passe é pura magia. Cada golo explode alegria. A esperança corre pelo ar. E o sonho nunca vai parar. 90 minutos de paixão. 11 guerreiros pela nação. Escuta o povo a apoiar. A festa nunca vai acabar. Quando Portugal entra em campo, o coração bate mais alto. Força Portugal, vamos vencer. Na Copa o mundo vai tremer. Com garra, talento e emoção. Brilha forte a nossa seleção. Deixa a bola falar. Portugal nasceu para ganhar. Com orgulho vamos lutar até a taça conquistar.